G'day everybody. Today we'll be replacing the headlight globe on an MGHS 2021 model. Start by removing this back cover, it just pops straight off. We will be replacing these globes with the Sino Parcel 9005 HB3 halogen high beam headlight bulb. It's rated at 150% more brightness and it runs at 65 watts, so it's slightly more powerful than the older model. I will have links in the description if you would like to purchase these same ones. I like the colour because they're a little bit more bluer, and the old MGHS were slightly yellow in colour. These globes are removed by twisting anti-clockwise less than a quarter of a turn and then pulling straight out, and just press the little tab to remove the electrical connection. The only problem I found is the entry point is really small. You really need small hands to be able to fit your hand in to twist the globes to remove them out. As you can see, here's the original Slovenia globes HB3 9005 running at 60 watts 12 volts. I contemplated going LED headlight globes, but since the originals are halogen, you really need to replace them with halogen, otherwise it could be illegal if you get stopped by the police. I do like the HB3 9005 design of headlight globes. They have gaskets and O-rings everywhere to stop water ingress. But oh my goodness, the entry point to replace these globes are tiny. I can't believe how small the holes are. Obviously it's designed for mechanics with smaller hands. My hands are average size and I struggle to get my hands inside to pull out these globes. Quick unboxing of the Sino Parcel halogen high beam headlight bulbs. It comes with 2 in the pack and a pair of gloves. The gloves are a really nice touch because you shouldn't touch the halogen glass, as the oils from your fingers can go onto the glass and create a weak point. I like that they have a bit of styrofoam as well on the glass for transport, so that way it doesn't get damaged. Such a good idea. So many globes get transported without any forms of protection on the glass, and you get the old one that's been thrown around and knocked and broken, and you install it and your bulb breaks straight away. So frustrating. These aftermarket globes are identical in every way. As you can see, they have the O-rings. I like that they're rated at 65 watts, so slightly brighter, and the nice blue hue on the bulb makes a more whiter light, which is cool when driving. So this is the first time I've replaced the globe on the MGHS, and to make installation a little bit more easier, I cut out this small piece of conduit, which is 25mm or 1 inch. This makes it easier to install the light globe into the very small opening, and you can even use it to twist the globe quarter turn to the right or clockwise, and this will lock it into place. It's definitely a two-hand job, and so I had to put the camera down to install the globe, but you could remove this blue metal piece to give you a little bit more room if needed. Plug the wires back in and you're good to go. Place the cover. Enjoy your new brighter headlights.